Somebody said it was time to do another big table for Christmas. I think I said that. It's gonna be a dandy. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now, folks, our inspiration for this 12-seater Christmas table is right here tonight. We have this incredible transferware, Kent by Josiah Wedgwood. Next, the salad plates are incredible. Poinsettias from Marshall's this year. Also, something special, they're newer butter plates, but they're really out of this world. And I have vintage butter lids for them, and we have 2 of those for the table tonight. So the first thing we're going to do is put this incredible runner down that I found online last year. In the holly berries, bells, and candles with our white tablecloth in the damask style. And we're going to do a quick arrangement centerpiece. Ooh, look at. Now we have these snowy, frozen branches, which goes along with our Victorian style dining room today. This will be a Christmas table. You'll probably be surprised at how, don't laugh, you girls, minimalist it's really gonna be today. I say that because we have some real minimalist friends, and I gotta get a jab in there and tease them when I can. They'll know what I'm talking about when I'm done. This is pretty minimalist for me. Now I got this incredible gold element I want to get in here because we are elegant and we are Victorian this year. I'm going to get that wonderful gold underneath there, both ends. Okay, I'm liking that. What else we got? I want to hide the homely stem, and I got these incredible red frosty leaf poinsettias. I think our tree is going to get lost in the, so we're going to boost our tree up and take care of some of that problem. Get our tree back centered, and we're ready for the second poinsettia. This is what I do anyway. I bend around that round column, little column piece, and we're going to tuck under and we're going to hide all the stems. Look at this. Without really cutting or ruining anything that we used. That's what I like to show. You know, we all have cut pieces, but we need big pieces too from time to time. And if you're going to change it up, you don't want to be restricted to, you know, well, I cut that all up the last time and I can't use it again. We don't want to do that. Now I'm putting these gold elements in the top. Geez, I don't know. I'm gonna get the shakes here. I'm almost done. I can't believe it. How can I be almost done? That's really minimal. Couple more of these wonderful gold twigs with the frozen crystallized aspect on them there. We want to do that one more time. All you bling bling glim glam girls, I know you'll be jealous, you'll be wanting these, but you know I'm nice, so I'll tell you where I got them. These gold glimmery wonders came from Michaels. Of course it's enough when I add these reindeer. Now, I'm thinking real Victorian style here. I'm gonna come off the candle with the low one and put the high one next to the tree. There's probably 4 or 5 ways you could go with this, and you're thinking how you might do it. That's good though. That's what we wanna do. These butter dishes I like to put off the corner. The transferware, you know, it's English obviously. We love it. Angela asked for it and I found it this year and we're just absolutely thrilled, guys. Look at this combo. So, guys, look at, oh my goodness. Look at that salad plate combination. Now I'm just fumbling with the paper in between. I don't know if you do it, if you thought of it. A lot of us are so quick to, you know, you have a dinner, you wash the dishes and you put them away. But I'll tell you, if you put a little foam in between, you'll save so much heartache through the years, just like great-grandma did. My great-grandmother's set I have there that I used for fall. Okay? From the early 70s, 12-piece set with everything. You name, I don't care what you name, it has it. That's 50 years old, right? If I can add. Folks, there's a soup bowl missing. And I didn't break it or lose it. By the time I got it, that's all that was missing. And I love that story because people took care of their things. You know? Sometimes we take things for granted. But I really believe in those old ways. Oh my goodness. I better keep going. I can't stop looking at it. Brand new. 100% cotton napkins for this table this year. For your enjoyment. And we're going to put that napkin, as a lot of you know, on the left. Alrighty, putting on that last touch for a proper setting, elegant Christmas table. We're gonna finish it with the butter knife with the edge facing the plate. This is the cutest set. But tonight, for the big table, I'm just using the cream and sugar. Some of you will probably recognize this set. And it's wonderful. I don't have the name, exact name to give you, so I'm not gonna fumble it and try. Because I'm using, like I say, I'm using this set in another table. It'll be really good. Alrighty, we're getting our glasses on. You know, I like to put the wine glass at about 1 o'clock. Then the next glass after that. And I like to take the glasses around on an arc like that. Now we're gonna serve a cordial, you know, like we usually do. I think it's gonna be that apple brandy again with the Malibu Dark. I think I'm gonna have to take you now and show you all around. Alrighty folks, now, you know, if you liked our table today, give us a like, a share, a subscribe. Send a red flyer wagon over with a couple new ones. And you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. Thanks everybody. Happy holidays. And I hope you get your elegant table on. Happy, Merry Christmas.